If we
So,
can conclude, yes.
yeah. So let me put a restriction. What is restriction here? Weather. R1. Construction activities and activities. So this is poor visibility, heavy stress, emergency situation, poor visibility, heavy and high speed. Heavy speed, entire workplace, potential injury, construction. So Vijay, here I am making due to the weather, I am making 4, 1 fatality. Is it okay? Vijay.
Based on what format? It goes with the activity
Actually,
type, or what is that?
no,
Focus?
actually we are worried about weather. Extreme weather. We are saying extreme weather means heavy sandstorm, heavy speed, and heat stroke.
But sorry, Sherman, when we are saying weather, sometimes the wind speed is high, but we can suspend the activity like work at height, lifting, but the normal construction activity can be done if it's
Yes.
related only to the
So,
wind.
yes, agree.
Okay.
This is before this safeguard. Huh? This is the naked risk. We can make it naked risk for C, because I have used the same system for other SIMOPs for RedNoc, but after the safeguard it will come down, right? So work restriction you have government guidelines summer, you have warning signboards, heat stress campaign, supervised activity, trained staff, emergency response plan, construction HSC plan, first aid, medical facility, medivac, weather forecast. This will go and this will go. I think we have got a lot of control, Vijay, so no need to worry for weather point of view. Okay. And R2 is a vehicle movement. This is very important. R2, vehicle movement. Vehicle movement, construction activity, in drilling activity here, or drilling activity will come.